So now jump over to the web.config file. So in this file basically we use module.export exports. Okay, and in this section basically we have the first is entry. What is the entry point? Okay, the second thing is output, sorry, is output. Okay, and the third one is dev server, because we are using a Webpack dev server here for running application in local environment. Okay, so this is the third one, and the fourth one is module. Okay, so so these are the four things basically we need it in web.config.js file. Okay, so in entry point, as we discussed, right, the entry point is main.js file. So okay, so main.js file is the entry. Okay, the second one is output. So output is once you prepare the build using webpacks, okay, then one JS file is generated. Okay, so the path is talking about that one. Okay, so here we are using this way. Okay, and the file name, it depends on user. Okay, what you want. So I'm putting here index.js. You can put it anyway whatever you want. Okay, so this is, and now come to the dev server. Okay, in this section we are using inline true basically we are using because runtime, when we are doing any changes or something, it reflect. Okay, and then the port. Okay, port, it depends on the developer again. Okay, so I'm just putting 2017 because like 2017. Okay, so I'm just putting random, and in module we have a loaders. Okay, so loader collection. In this collection we have a few parameters, kind of like we have like test js. So oh sorry, so all the js file we will cover up here. Okay, the second parameter is exclude. Okay, exclude is like whenever you're preparing the build, what structure, what exactly the node module, you don't want node module to come the picture, right? So just put it here, node underscore modules, and make sure that node modules is the same as this, otherwise it's a problem. It will not run properly. Okay, then the third one is a loaders, sorry, it's loader. Okay, so loader babel loader. Babel loader is basically the loading other things, like to converting the next next version of JS to the version what the browser support. Okay, and then query. In this section we are setting the presets, whatever presets we are using in this application, we can put it here in this array. Okay, so we are using years 2015, and we are using React. Okay, so this is done here. So entry, we are using dev server, we declare output, we declare, and everything is done. Now we are jump to the app.js. As we said like before, this is a component, is a main component here in React. Okay, so now sorry, import React from React. Okay, now you can create a class app extends React dot component, and after that we can export. Okay, so inside this we are creating a simple component for now, and later we go more deeper in further videos. Okay, so we are using here render function. So render function basically is a main function for rendering this, your HTML page or DOM, or you can say. So inside the render we can return something like we can say like, okay, instead of this we can return like this: hello, welcome, Jesh. Okay, and sorry. Okay, so this is the component is ready. Okay, now jump over the main.js file. Okay, so main.js file is a main entry file. Okay, so in this again we are using import from import react from react. Okay, the second one, import react DOM from react DOM. So this is the second thing, and the third one, because we are gonna use that component, app.js component, in a main page, so we need to use this one. Okay, from app. Okay, so we are good to go with this, and then we are using react DOM dot render. Okay, and in this render function basically we have a two parameter. In the first parameter we are passing the component, so whatever component we have. Okay, and the second parameter, okay, so whatever component is there, we need to inject that component somewhere in your HTML page. Okay, so we need to give the reference document dot get element by id. Okay, and here we are passing the id. Okay, so we are done with this main.js file. Now we are going to create a HTML page. Okay, so HTML is simple. We can create, HTML. Okay, now we can create head. Okay, now we create title, react setup. Okay, and here inside the body element, we can create a simple div, and okay, in this div we just add id app. Okay, so this is the id what we declare here in main.js file. Okay, now, okay, after this we need to add a script, because definitely when we prepare the bundle or something, then all the JS file club with them, and then we create a index.js file, what we said here, right? Okay, so src and put index dot index.js file. So we are done with this, and then we can go package.json. If it's not there, if it's already there, it's okay. If not there, then inside the script you can put start webpack dev server. Okay, so now we are good to go, and now after that we need to use start. Okay, asking. Oh, okay, so I'm getting some. Okay, so this is the problem here. Okay, Mm-hmm. Okay, in this file. Okay, okay, got it. It's a mistake. Mm-hmm. Okay, inside the loader, basically we have a test in exclude loader query or something. Okay, fine. Okay, so now it's running. So you can see here, and this project is running at this URL localhost 2017, because this 2017 we declare here this is the port. So once you get a Webpack compiled successfully, then you open the browser. Okay, okay. Okay, index is not loading. Okay, okay, I did some mistake, sorry. So this is src, not scr. Okay, so now it will work. Okay, so you can see here in this, you can see hello, welcome Brajesh. Okay, so this is the way how to set up your React application. So this is the first hello world kind of application. Okay, so in the further video we discuss more about how to create component and something. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Please comments, and if any kind of help, anything, any suggestion or any doubt, just do comment. Thank you so much.